In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms and get data in Framer. By the end, you'll know how to add a form to a page, place it exactly where you want, and customize it so it collects the information you need. First, go to Framer and open the project where you want the form, or start from a fresh site if you're experimenting. Once your canvas is open, look to the top left corner and click the plus icon. That opens the Insert panel, which is where all components live. In the Insert panel, find the Forms section. This is the library of pre-built form components designed to work smoothly with Framer sites. Click Forms to reveal the available options, then pick the form style you prefer. You're selecting both a category and an actual component here, so it's 2 quick clicks. Next, click and drag your chosen form onto the canvas. Drop it in the section where you want visitors to interact with it, like a contact area or a sign-up section. Use Framer Smart Guides to align it with your layout, and drag the handles to adjust width so it fits your design. If your page uses stacks or auto layout, nest the form inside the appropriate frame so spacing and responsiveness behave as expected. Now make your edits. Select the form and use the right side properties panel to tailor it. Change field labels and placeholder text to be clear and helpful. Mark important fields as required, remove any you don't need, or duplicate existing ones to collect extra details. Update the button text so it reflects the action, like send or subscribe. Set a friendly success message and a concise error message so users know what happened after they submit. Keep inputs short and focused. Fewer fields generally mean more completions. As you edit, use Preview to confirm the spacing, mobile behavior, and focus order feel right. That's it. You've gone to Framer, opened the Insert menu, chosen forms, dragged a form onto your page, and customized it to collect the data you need. Publish when you're ready, and your form will be set to capture responses.